magic tool, magic tool, magic tool. It lets us see the tiny things much bigger than they are. Look at a bottle or a drop of rain. See all the details so clear and plain. A microscope's a magic tool. It shows a hidden world. The lenses bend the beams of light, beams of light, beams of light, to make the tiny things look big. It's such a cool delight. Look at a leaf or a grain of sand, a tiny world right in your hand. A microscope's a magic tool. It shows a hidden world. Explore the cells that make us grow, make us grow, make us grow. See the things in water drops, there's so much to know. Tiny wonders everywhere, things so small you wouldn't stare. A microscope's a magic tool. It shows a hidden world. So grab your slides and shine the light. Focus in and see the sight. With supervision you'll explore a world you've never seen before. Microscope.